How do you fix if you're encountering packet loss, high ping, lag spikes, and CS2 Premier? So the very main thing that you want to do first is to figure out where the problem is coming from. Of course, check out your physical router if there is no flashing red. If it does, that means that your internet connection is intermittent. So all you have to do is to simply plugging it out from the router and plug it back in. And the next thing that you want to do is to check if the problem is coming directly from the specific status of the server of CS2. To do so, open up any web browser on your end and type in CS2 server status. Now you could actually check um, any of the resources available here, but you could go into CSGO database. So in here, if you scroll down, you would like to have to check to the legend first. So green says normal, blue says delayed, and then orange is surge and offline for red. So check out your current server if the problem is coming from here. If not, your next step is to go into your um, Windows icon, type in CMD, and then run it as an administrator. The commands are going to be ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, hit on enter, and the next is going to be netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on enter, exit from here, restart your PC, and try to relaunch the game again. So those are the basic troubleshooting steps if you're encountering packet loss, high ping, lag spikes, and CS2 Premier.